In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone access to a Confluence page. We're going to walk through this process step by step so you can easily follow along and ensure that your colleagues or teammates can view the information they need. Let's get started. First, head over to your Confluence homepage. This is where all your workspaces are displayed, and you can access the various spaces and pages that make up your Confluence environment. It's the starting point for our task. Once you're there, take a moment to identify the workspace that contains the page you want to share. This workspace is essentially a collection or folder that houses related pages. Click on the appropriate workspace to open it up. After selecting the workspace, you should now see a list of pages associated with it. Scan through this list and click on the specific page to which you want to grant access. Opening this page is crucial because our next steps will involve modifying sharing settings to allow others to view this content. Now that the page is open, you'll notice various options and tools around the page. Look towards the top right corner and you'll see the Share button. Click on this button to initiate the sharing process. Clicking Share will bring up a dialog box where you can adjust access settings. Within this dialog box, there is a drop-down menu that will let you specify how access is granted. When you click on this drop-down, you'll see several options, but for our purpose, you want to choose the Open option. By setting the page to open, the intended recipients will gain the necessary access to view the page without any extra steps. This option is great for collaboration, making sure that everyone who needs to see the page can do so effortlessly. Once you've selected Open, make sure to click on Save. The Save action confirms and applies all the changes you've just set. This step is crucial because without saving, your modifications won't take effect, and the access permissions will remain unchanged. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully granted access to a Confluence page. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that your team has the right access to collaborate and work efficiently. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing in Confluence.